Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Gully Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I will show you in this video trendy and stylish ideas of Pixie haircut in short hair. With beautiful hair dye, attractive and stylish hair styling, and so beautiful overall collection in Pixie in short hair with beautiful hair dye, hair styling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I will talk about haircut in Pixie. Some ideas: layered, deep layered. Some ideas: step, undercut. Many much more beautiful ideas of choppy haircut, notching haircut, stylish ideas of bang, chin length bang, nose length bang, and very attractive eye-catching hair dye, blonde hair dye, burgundy hair dye, and very stylish ideas of black color, grey color, stylish ideas of funky colors, and beautiful cute ideas of highlights, highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky color, and ash color with dark base color, and so stylish ideas of hairstyling, fine hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling, and so beautiful collection, spiky hairstyle, and messy hairstyle, choppy hairstyling, so beautiful ideas of undercut hairstyling, and so beautiful overall collection in Pixie in short hair with beautiful hair dye, hair styling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos with your friends, your family members and others. And please support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. If you're new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I will become with new trends according to your ideas, so you must share with me. I will wait. So then, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I will direct back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.